Unit 2, page 16. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Hi, Fong.
Oh, hi. You woke me up, Nick.
But it's 10 o'clock already. Let's go out.
No, count me out. I think I'll stay at home and play Zooniverse on my computer.
What? It's such a beautiful day. Come on. You already got enough sleep. Let's do something outdoors. It's healthier.
What like, Nick?
How about going swimming or cycling? They are both really healthy.
No, I don't feel like it.
You sound down, Fong. Are you okay?
I do feel kind of sad. I eat junk food all the time, so I'm putting on weight too.
All the more reason to go out.
No, Nick. Plus, I think I have flu. I feel weak and tired, and I might get sunburn outside.
I won't take no for an answer. I'm coming to your house now.
Activity 2. A. Match the health problems in the box with the pictures. Then listen and repeat.
A. Spots. B. Sunburn. C. Put on weight. D. Flu. E. An allergy. F. Sickness.